Hi, we're Kent and Pam Temple.
Welcome to Real Talk with the Temple team.
As the temperatures rise as we move into summer, we'd like to give you some tips on how to avoid energy loss and lower your power bill when the air conditioning is running.
Make sure your ceiling fan is spinning in the correct direction. Though clockwise is best in the winter, you'll want to flip that small switch on the fan base to counterclockwise in the summer.
Small twigs and leaves that tend to collect in the outdoor air handler in fall and winter are not healthy for your AC unit's operation. Have your AC unit serviced and cleaned to ensure it is running at maximum efficiency.
Check your windows and doors to ensure they still have a good seal. You can lose cool air in these areas just as fast as the warm air can escape from them in the winter.
Make sure your attic doors are properly insulated. Attics can really heat up in the summer, and that heat will transfer to your home if there's not an insulation barrier to stop it.
It's also a good time to check the crawl space to make sure the insulation under your home is in good shape and to ensure your ductwork is still properly connected. You want to air condition your home, not your crawl space.
Lastly, consider installing a smart thermostat if you don't have one already. It can be programmed to adjust the temperature to a slightly higher setting when you're not home to save energy and back to optimum cooling temperatures when you are home to enjoy them.
Stay cool this summer, and thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more home tips.
From our home to yours.
See you soon.